What's up guys? We are back with the latest OnePlus news. We've already seen some hands-on photos of the OnePlus 9. So OnePlus is expected to launch the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro next month in March. It's coming with all the max-out specifications, like Snapdragon 888 CPU, fast wireless charging and most importantly a power brick inside the box. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, we had the first ever hands-on photos of the OnePlus 9 Pro, courtesy of Dave 2D, which at the first glance shows that OnePlus could be providing a major step up in the camera hardware, with a partnership with Hasselblad. Anyway, let's take a look at the phone itself. Unlike the OnePlus 9, the OnePlus 9 Pro has a curved display, with the punch-hole selfie camera at the left. There's also a slight difference in the frame shape, for the alert slider and power button, which honestly looks better than the OnePlus 8 Pro. You can see the features almost similar to the OnePlus 8T, like same display size 6.55 inches, 120Hz static refresh rate, 8 GB of base RAM and 128 GB internal memory, and all this with new Snapdragon H CPU and Adreno 660 GPU, and some major improvement. So, the OnePlus 9 is finally adding wireless charging to this device, and not to mention 65 watts of fast charging will be used there. And once again, I can confirm that it is coming with a fast charger inside the box, which is a proper way to save the environment, to take a few bucks extra. But Samsung and Apple should reward this move and start providing power brick again. Now according to Ice Universe, OnePlus is using most expensive Samsung displays for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So I guess that's it. Sadly, this will be exclusive to Pro variant, and the standard one will be getting a static 120Hz and 60Hz option, with 4500 mAh battery on both. Now speaking the camera department, the camera module shows 2 bigger camera sensors, and 2 smaller ones with iPhone-style circular bumps. There's no information about the specifications of these cameras, but we still expect to see a 64-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX689 sensor. So, it's not clear what the supporting cameras will offer, but there's no periscope zoom camera here, and camera UI however includes a tilt-shift mode. If you don't know what tilt-shift photography is, it basically is a creative and unique type of photography in which the camera is manipulated so that a life-size location or subjects looks like a miniature scale model, as you can see here. Well, how this OnePlus Hasselblad partnership works out. By the way, the difference between the camera module of the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro is the number of cameras and the Hasselblad branding. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say it 'cause I fuck it up.